Hey there! Thanks a lot for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. So, as you probably saw in the thumbnail, I've got something fun and super simple for you today. We're gonna do a quick little speaking practice together. Nothing too serious, I promise. Just something light to help you get more comfortable speaking English. Here's how it works. You'll see some text on the screen that's highlighted in red. Those are your lines. All you have to do is read them out loud like you're having a real conversation with me. Basically, you're pretending to talk back to me while I say my part.
Sounds easy, right?
Don't worry if you make a mistake. This is all just for practice, and no one's judging. Oh, and by the way, I've made a few videos like this and 3 in total so far. So if you enjoy this one, make sure to check out the others too. You might find them helpful, or at least fun to try. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any new videos when they come out. Alright, enough talking for me. Let's jump right into it and have some fun. Ready? Let's go!
Hey.
Oh my God. I've been dying to call you. You free to talk? Okay, good. Listen, you won't believe what just happened to me this morning. So I was running late as usual because I snoozed my alarm like 4 times. Anyway, I barely had time to grab coffee. I ran into Joe's Coffee, and guess who was standing in line? No. Guess again. It was Taylor. Yeah, that Taylor. From the bookstore. The one I told you about last month, remember? So there I am, looking like a disaster with my hoodie inside out, and he turns around and just smiles at me like it's the most normal thing. I think I blacked out for like 2 seconds. But I managed to smile back and say hi without tripping over my own words.
Progress, right?
We ended up talking while waiting for our orders. He remembered my name, like full name. He even asked about the book I was buying that day. Weirdly specific memory, right? It turns out we like the same author. Of course, I had to pretend I totally finished the book when in reality it's still sitting half-read on my shelf. And get this, he offered to walk me to work because it's on the way.
Sure it is.
Not that I'm complaining. I literally giggled. Like, actually giggled. I didn't even know I could do that, unironically. Anyway, we walked, we talked, and it was kind of amazing. And now I'm sitting here trying not to replay every single word we said, but of course, I am. I think he might be into me, or maybe he's just friendly. Ugh, I don't know. Why are people so confusing? Anyway, I just had to tell you before I exploded. I'll call you again after work. I need your opinion on something he said.
Talk soon, okay?
And that's it. You did it. Nice job. Seriously, thank you for practicing with me today. I know talking out loud can feel a little weird at first, especially if you're doing it alone, but every small step counts. Even just saying a few sentences out loud like this helps more than you think. So give yourself a little credit, okay? You showed up, you spoke up, and that's already a win. Anyway, I hope this little practice helped you feel a bit more confident. If it did, that makes me really happy. I'll see you again next time with a new episode of this topic, but until then, keep going at your own pace, and don't be too hard on yourself.